Just around 5 years ago, I had the opportunity to go through a sales apprenticeship with Fullerton Tool. I got to work through all of the different departments, and I ended up going to an accelerated course for milling and CNC. I started doing outside sales with some of our Michigan people, and we ended up sending myself to California to do outside sales. Everything has helped me with that experience and actually understanding the way that Fullerton processes work with our ordering, with our shipping department, with our quoting department, being able to see all of the different departments and work with all of our employees that have worked there for so long. Just getting to know everybody and creating those relationships with them has very much helped me on the West Coast. You need things quick when you're a salesman, and to be able to get those answers quickly from Fullerton has been one of the most helpful things that I could, have. It's such an honor to be here and to be a part of the Fullerton Tool family. Fullerton's always innovating and always coming up with something new. Plus we have the 80 years of experience, and we're family owned, USA made. I love the Alumamill. The Alumamill is one of my favorites. My customers always say that it leaves such a great finish. That's one of my favorites because we do cut a lot of aluminum out there. The 4-flute Fury is also one of my favorites. Super excited about the micro line as well. So we're able to get to our customers, get those smaller sizes for them. So great for stainless steels. The service and support is unsurpassed compared to everything that I've seen out there. Our response times, the way that we're able to get in front of the customer and be able to, make sure that they get everything that they need. I'm very excited about Fullerton HB. We purchased the building about 2 years ago. We have the 4 Walter machines in there, the same that we make our new tools on at the factory in Michigan. Very excited about that. We're able to do regrinds, alterations. We're able to do quick turnarounds with adding a corner radius, a neck tool. We're able to coat the tools as well. Yeah, it's just been great to have it out there. So I'm super excited about it.